Well, this week hasn't been too jam-packed with news, but what news we got was big. From Google launching a new generative AI and rolling out a core update, to Bing replacing its answer display with Bing Chat, and Google's John Muller giving us helpful tips on how to simplify website structure. Hello, my SEOs, and welcome to this week's rundown brought to you by PosiRank.com. Bing may replace the traditional answer display at the top of search results with Bing Chat Response. Bing Chat has recently passed 100 million daily active users, and Mikhail Perikin, who leads up Bing Search and Bing Chat, said on Twitter that Bing will replace the current answers, which he claims uses old technology and crowdsourcing, with Bing Chat Response as soon as possible. The new user interface for the new answer provided by Bing Search is expected to integrate Bing Chat, which may impact click-through rates and traffic to websites because it's just grabbing information and showing it to the user rather than directing them to the site. And while this replacement aims to improve Bing Search, according to Perikin, the interactions are a bit tricky and bugs keep creeping up at the moment. However, with over 100 million daily active users, 45 million daily chats, and 1/3 of daily preview users using Bing Chat daily, as well as 1/3 of preview users are also brand new to Bing, it doesn't seem to be slowing down any bit. So they better fix those bugs quick. And Google search advocate John Muller has shared his tips on how to simplify website structure without negatively impacting SEO. Muller advises against retiring subdirectories and shifting everything over to a new subdirectory, noting that it's a lot of work with nothing to gain. Instead, he suggests moving backslash into a /US folder to allow for a more precise separation of parts. This way, backslash is all US, /FR backslash is all French, and so on, making it easier for search engines to understand the sections, and setting the root homepage as the X default to avoid confusion among search engines, particularly when doing geo-IP directs. So I think we all knew that Google has been investing in AI for years, and now they're taking things to the next level by bringing generative AI to the masses with their new app builder and giving developers access to their models like Palm. Users and developers will be able to use it to write their own emails and docs and create simple articles just by putting in the topic. It's actually like having your own virtual assistant, kind of like something else we know. And if you didn't know, PALM stands for Pattern Annotated Language Model. It is a state-of-the-art language model developed by Google AI researchers designed to understand the patterns in natural language and generate coherent text. PALM is particularly useful for tasks that involve generating text, such as language translation summarization and chatbot conversations. Can you imagine what that means for SEO as a whole? The possibilities that brings. You could create personalized chatbots, generate product descriptions on the fly, or even develop custom apps for your clients. With Google's AI, the sky's the limit. Just hopefully not a net. And here comes the bad news. Google's at it again. They're rolling out their latest core algorithm update for March 2023, and it's time to buckle up. Again. I swear, waiting for these to come is like waiting for toast to pop up. It can take days or even weeks for Google's crawlers to reassess the web, so don't expect an instant hit, but don't panic just yet. Keep an eye on your site's organic search traffic and keyword rankings, as those are your bread and butter. Or if you're vegan, your kale chips and sea salt. I don't know, whatever it is. And don't forget the golden rule of creating valuable content that your target audience craves. It's like a good cup of coffee. You can't just throw any old beans and hope for the best. Remember, Google's goal with these updates is to serve up the best possible search results for users. So if you're looking to stay ahead of the game, keep churning out that valuable content and keep an eye on those numbers. So who knows? You might just come out on top. And if not, at least you've got a good cup of coffee waiting for you. Well, my SEOs, what did you think about this week's news? Are you just as excited as I am about all the new AI tools to play with from Google? Or are you in the camp of this is the end of SEO kind of thing? There are some upsides and some downsides, so I'm not completely blind. But honestly, I am keeping a close eye, as should you, for niche possibilities. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the latest SEO and marketing news. My name is Kiko, and I will see you tomorrow.